Yeah, hi. So in this video, we are going to see about the ExoPlayer in Jetpack Compose. So how to use the ExoPlayer or video player in Jetpack Compose. Okay. So now usually we will use in you maybe used in our XML layouts with Jetpack data binding or whatever it is. So this is it's quite a same place. So it is very simple as exactly what is it. Okay. So we need to import ExoPlayer dependency first of all. So once we import the ExoPlayer dependency, we can start adding it. So I imported and I synced also. So then I added some few random videos for these things. Okay, so once I added, I'm going to directly code into the Jetpack Compose. Okay, so I have a greeting view. So I am not going to change anything yet, so I'll just remove this one and I'm just directly adding the things over here. So we'll before that we'll create one player view actually, so we can reuse the compose wherever we want. Okay, so that's what we are going to do right now. So we'll create a player view. Okay, where is it? Okay, fun player. Okay, so this is a composable. Where is it? It needs to come. Okay, I'll just copy and paste it. Okay, player view. Okay, so actually the thing is ExoPlayer is not yet, it is supporting, but it doesn't have a direct compose for Jetpack Compose. Okay, so it doesn't have a direct compose for Jetpack Compose. Mean we have to use the view to bind that actually ExoPlayer player view into the Jetpack Compose. Okay, so first for this one, let me create a column. So inside column we are going to add the view. Okay, so first of all, let's take a context, local context dot current, then val ExoPlayer. Okay, so ExoPlayer, we need to remember the ExoPlayer. Remember ExoPlayer, simple ExoPlayer dot build. So it's same like our Android, how we will build the simple ExoPlayer, like that only we are going to build it over here. Context. Okay, context dot build dot apply. So we are going to apply some few settings. Set media is like media item. Where is it? Media item dot from URI. Okay, from URI. So the URI we are going to get it from here. Okay, so this one is video file URI. Okay, URL, not URI. Okay, so URI. So this is that one. Then modifier. So we are going to take the modifier also. So here video file. Okay, so then if it is apply, means we can add like functions also. Prepare function, play when it is ready. Okay, where is it? Play when it is ready is equal to true. Okay, so we are going to do this. Okay, yeah, so now the ExoPlayer is ready for our settings. So now once we have added that, so I already told we don't have a compose for the ExoPlayer. So we don't usually we have any text box, text fields, means we will have these and all compose. Okay, so we don't have any ExoPlayer compose. Okay, so we don't have any ExoPlayer compose, means so the view which we don't have in a Jetpack Compose, means we can use the AndroidView. AndroidView is nothing but we use XML the view. We can put any layouts or any views or any element into that. Okay, so we are going to use the AndroidView to project the player. Okay, AndroidView. Okay, so in that facility, the facility factory, so we are going to add the view. So actually it needs to be returned view. Okay, let's see, found recur view. Okay, so it should return a view. So that view will be any view, that view will be shown in the UI in the place of the AndroidView. Okay, so this view now we are going to create the ExoPlayer. So the thing is, the exact method But in XML, what we do in XML, we will put we will call the player view, right? So the same player view we are going to call here. The XML we will call and set, and we will do find by view in the Kotlin or Java file, and we will use that find by view as a player. Okay, so that same player view we are going to create here. So I'll just create the player view. Oh, not this one. Oh, same name. Okay, let's see. Let's change custom player view. Okay, player view. Okay, so this player view, ExoPlayer to player view. So in this player view, we need to have pass context. Okay, then I'm going to apply. So player view also have apply. So inside this apply, we can set the ExoPlayer, all those things. Okay, ExoPlayer, this one. Actually, it is loading, rendering, that's why it is not showing anything. So we can, I don't want to render actually, because anyway we are going to see that one in a runnable device only. So okay, use controls. So I'll just show with the controls only. Okay, so you don't want to, actually we don't need commas, all those things. Okay, so we have a layout parameters also. So if you want, you can give layout parameter directly over here, layout params. Okay, so layout params. So inside layout params, import layout params, view widget something. Okay, okay. So from here I can pass layout params dot match parent. First is width, the second one is height. Okay, params layout params dot wrap content. Okay, so this is what the thing is. What is, okay, yeah, fine. So now it is correct. The player is set. So we have another one method also, actually after the factory. Okay, after the factory you have an update method. So in this update method you will get the view, which means the view which you are returning over here, you will get that one. Okay, so if you see it over here, you can get that one view. So from with this view you can set anything. Actually what you want to change over there, you can change it in the update method. So if any value is changing, so anything changing means, so the player, so you want to do any other, you need to change the source means you can change it over here in the update method. So now currently we are not going to use it. I am showing this for AndroidView, how AndroidView is working. So in the factory you need to define, and in the update you can change the value of this view from here itself. Okay, so that's what it is there. And then we can directly call this custom player over here. Okay, so then video file is resource. Okay, video file is resource builder. Where is it? It's not. Okay, okay, raw resource. Okay, actually raw resource source the build r dot raw dot video one. Okay, then modifier. Okay, modifier dot fill max width. Okay, so this is the one in the greeting section. Okay, so I'll just run the application and you can see this video will be played. Okay, yeah, so our application is run already. So you can see the video is playing in the top. So if you click, you can see all the controls. So if we give the pass means if this one is true means this video controller, that black itself won't control, only the video will play automatically. Okay, so then you have a couple of options as exactly what are the ExoPlayer we have in an old XML Android, that one. So the same thing, you can change everything over here. Okay, everything, repeat mode, all those things, how many time you need to, those things you can change everything over here. So this is how the ExoPlayer work in Jetpack Compose. Okay, thank you.